Hello everyone. Today I am going to show how to configure HyperV settings and virtual switch before you can start installing a virtual machine. So let's start. Go to Start and click HyperV Manager under Administrative Tools. After HyperV Manager window opens, you will notice HyperV Manager link on the top left panel. Right-click on the HyperV Manager link and choose Connect to Server. You can either choose the local computer means, the machine on which the HyperV is currently installed. Or, you can choose another computer means any computer or server connected with the local computer either by workgroup or domain. I am choosing the local computer and click OK to finish up the process. As you can see, my local computer has been connected and shown up under the HyperV Manager on the left panel. Now choose the connected server under HyperV Manager link. Now you will see some options on the right panel. Before we install a virtual machine, we need to first configure the HyperV Settings and Virtual Switch Manager. First, click on the HyperV Settings. You need to specify the path to store the files for virtual hard disks. I have already created a specific folder for the virtual hard disks files, which I have selected here. Now click on the virtual machines under virtual hard disks. Here you need to specify the location to store the virtual machine's configuration files. I have already created the specific folder which I have selected here. Leave the other options as default for now and click OK. Now we will be configuring the Virtual Switch Manager. A virtual switch allows virtual machines created on HyperV hosts to communicate with other computers. Let's click on Virtual Switch Manager. On the left panel of the Virtual Switch window, you can see the option for New Virtual Network Switch. Click the New Virtual Network Switch link and then you will see Create Virtual Switch panel on the right, where you need to choose what type of virtual switch you want to create. External, internal, private. External type means gives virtual machines access to a physical network to communicate with servers and clients on an external network. Allows virtual machines on the same HyperV server to communicate with each other. Internal type means allows communication between virtual machines on the same HyperV server, and between the virtual machines and the management host operating system. Private type means only allows communication between virtual machines on the same HyperV server. A private network is isolated from all external network traffic on the HyperV server. Now click on the external link and then click Create Virtual Switch. Now name the virtual switch and choose external network for the connection type and choose the network adapter you want to use. Then check the box for Allow Management Operating System to share this network adapter. Then click OK. A pop-up will come which will say pending changes may disrupt network connectivity. Don't worry about this and click Yes. It will then create the new external virtual switch. Now we need to create the internal virtual switch. So again, click on Virtual Switch Manager and then click the new Virtual Network Switch link. Now click on the internal link and then click Create Virtual Switch. Now name the virtual switch and choose Internal Network for the connection type and click OK. Now you have successfully configured the HyperV settings and virtual switch before you start to install a virtual machine.